Find out what it would be like if you lived here. And here we are.
All right.
Welcome to house number 3.
I already kind of have a vision of this home because it has that farmhouse style on the outside.
Yep.
So I'm wondering if that carries on into the inside.
Can't wait to see.
I know.
It is a lovely deck in the back. So we'll play the game there.
Okay.
Enjoy the tour.
Thank
and
you.
see you then.
All
Okay,
right,
ready?
let's go.
Okay, our third home here in Hyattsville.
Yep, a modern new construction farmhouse. Well, the first thing I notice is this mudroom, which has a full bathroom off of it, which is really good if you have really dirty kids.
Oh my gosh, you're right. Just
like-
throw them in the tub.
Right in the tub they go.
Okay, so the outside really had that farmhouse feel, and I was really hoping that it would carry on into the house, and it does.
It does. And I love all these windows that wrap around, from the front to the back.
So, that first home we looked at brought back a lot of nostalgia.
It did.
But, there is a lot to be said for the open concept because here you just have a room that flows right into the back area.
Yeah, from this living room to the dining room, right back to the deck with its own awning.
Oh my gosh, with its own awning, how about that backyard?
I know, beautiful, right?
All right, I bet around the corner we have the kitchen. It just looks so shiny and new.
That's because it is.
But what I like is the contrast of the black handles. It really pops on the white cabinets.
They certainly do. That's oil bronze.
Oh, oil bronze.
Oil
Okay, I
bronze.
learned something new.
You know what else is nice about this kitchen is the back deck spans the entire way across the back of the house. And so you have like a separate sitting area right off the kitchen with its own pergola. So you have double pergola.
It's the double pergola house.
Double pergola, pretty sweet. It's a good looking kitchen. Okay, it's always the great dilemma, down or up. So down to the lower level or upstairs to the bedrooms.
Let's go upstairs first.
I agree. I like the contrast between the oak flooring and then this darker
Oh, I
stain.
know. Okay, so this would be bedroom number 2 because there's one downstairs. So it's great kids' room.
That's very nice.
Okay, here's the third bedroom.
Lots of sun, double closet,
Yep.
good space.
All right, and then full bathroom.
Very nice.
Ooh, and I like the honeycomb tile.
Marble.
And they carried it through to the shower.
They sure did. Good looking.
It is a good-looking shower. Okay.
Into,
Oh, the owner's suite.
oh my gosh. Oh, I love this.
We hit it just right. It looks so pretty with the sun coming through.
This ceiling, the pitch ceiling, is fantastic. But what I love is this accent wall with this woodwork on it.
That woodwork is so simple, but yet it really creates this country cottage feel.
Well, it's kind of like farmhouse drama.
Oh, you know what that sounds like?
What?
The name of a new show.
That'd be a great show.
I know. And we have the ensuite.
The ensuite with
Okay.
2 walk-in closets,
bed.
it looks like. Oh, this is great. I love how it's compartmentalized. You have a water closet, dual vanity, and great shower.
But I really like how they played off the kitchen. The things I liked in the kitchen, I like here too.
Yep.
I like the contrast of the black against the white walls, and again with the
Oil rubbed bronze.
oil rubbed bronze against the white. It really makes it stand out.
Well, one more floor to go.
Okay, let's go. I like the door. I like how it lets
Oil
light
rubbed
in.
bronze again.
All right. So a full bathroom down here, which is always nice.
4 bathrooms in this house is
You
awesome.
counted them all.
I did. Well, we know what this room is.
Well, obviously, this is the room that you'd be spending Sundays watching football in.
A lot of football on that screen.
So we've seen the entire house. Ready to find wine?
Ready to go.
Let's go.
Hey, there you
One.
are. Okay, so I have a question for you. When can I move in?
Oh my.
House number 3 was a winner, and soon I will be 2.
Oh, that's what he thinks. Okay.
All right.
There was so much to look at.
There was, and I was so hoping that farmhouse was going to carry throughout the home, and it did. Right through, I have to say, I love the kitchen.
No detail was spared on this home.
No,
They thought of
no.
everything. Before you guess, let's recap on this
Okay.
lovely home.
Okay.
Close to 2,500 square feet. 5 bedrooms,
Yes.
4 full bath.
Amazing.
The open concept, modern features. This home was built in an area where, you got smaller houses. So it's going to be a little bit of a challenge for you in regards to the price.
Okay.
But I'm curious to see what you're going to come up with.
Me too. Me too.
So, you guys ready?
All right, I think I'm going to let you go first.
How generous of you.
Thank you.
You're so sweet. Okay, based on the, I'm sorry to be so scientific, dollars per square foot.
He has this
Hyatt's
whole
bill,
formula that
and
he
you say it's roughly
calculates.
2,500 square feet. The price would come in around 750. I am going to go for 745.
Oh, wow. Okay.
There, that's it.
I'm actually going to go higher. And it's not scientific or anything, it's just based on gut. Boy, I'm going to go in at 825. Yeah.
It's very good, and I don't blame you. Okay.
This isn't
I
I don't
sounding,
blame you either.
this isn't sounding good.
I thought you guys were getting good at this game,
We thought so too.
It really doesn't sound
I think.
good.
but it's okay. A little disappointed, but
This is the most demoralizing episode yet.
Should we just leave now?
Oh,
I feel bad about
you know
myself.
what? But a house is worth what a buyer wants to pay, and that's what I learned over the years.
Oh, we've heard that before,
Yes.
Juan. So what's the story?
The list price is $726.
Oh, it's eye over.
Well,
See, you know, it was all that you're doing this that just
I was like,
completely
look over
threw-
here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
no.
worked. It threw me completely
hey,
off.
I went over too.